Hello, this is Robert Perkins, the immigration professor, and welcome to our video about our consultant program with other attorneys. Other attorneys who either are immigration attorneys who need help, maybe they're new to the field, or attorneys in other fields who want to develop an immigration practice. We see this a lot with criminal attorneys who have a lot of potential to get immigration works and want us to consult with them to make sure that they do it well and market their practice and other things. So we have a series of informational videos on our website. Our website is www.immigration-professor.com. Or if people have specific questions about cases and need help, they can contact our offices at 310-384-0200. We have offices in several states and also have an extensive attorney referral network that operates nationwide for qualified immigration attorneys. So I want to talk a little bit about sort of our consultant program. We are experts in immigration law, and myself, I have 20 years experience, and my staff, we have many years experience. In addition to that, among us, what we've been seeing lately, especially with criminal attorneys, is that people are getting arrested, and the criminal attorneys are helping them in their criminal cases, and they also are then turned over to Immigration Customs Enforcement for deportation proceedings. So criminal attorneys have a lot of potential to develop an immigration practice, but need expertise and help, and I think that's where our office comes in. So I have kind of a list of some of the services that we can provide to those attorneys, and it always depends on the situation, of course, but something we can do is of course to do deportation defense cases and to supervise the criminal attorneys, or perhaps an associate they would hire in deportation defense, so consultancy. And even we can provide representation depending on where they're located. We can supervise contract attorneys or other attorneys in representing some of these people in deportation proceedings, and the criminal attorney or other attorney could either take a referral fee, or something could be worked out with them where it benefits them for being a rainmaker or a business getter. We also, there's referrals in the areas of employment-based immigration that could be done by our staff here. The criminal attorney can get a referral fee, or other attorney can get a referral fee in that. That's kind of a very specific expertise. Another thing we can do is to add value to a practice by identifying some of the criminal post-conviction relief that someone can get. For example, somebody has a criminal conviction that needs to be reopened for immigration purposes, and we can help refer back to the criminal attorney to do some of the post-conviction work and work together with them on the immigration side on that. Another service we can provide is that because of our expertise, we can either in person, where applicable, or through Skype, through video conferencing, do consultations. We do paid consultations with clients on immigration matters. And of course, there could be a referral fee of some kind paid to whoever, whatever attorney is able to refer us those consultations. So, and again, those could be in person, depending on where you are, or through video conferencing through Skype. So there's a lot of ways that criminal attorneys and other attorneys can add some dollars to their practice by employing us as a consultant or partnering with us, as the case may be. Again, information about our practice and all of our informational videos are on our website, www.immigration-professor.com, or people can call us about their specific cases or situations at our offices at 310-384-0200. And because immigration, by the way, is federal law, there's an explicit regulation that says that our firm can do it. You can be admitted to any state of the United States as an attorney and do it anywhere, which is kind of nice. It's a uniform practice. Another service we can help with either beginning immigration attorneys or attorneys in other areas is marketing. helping them to market their practice. Because we have expertise in this area and we can speak knowledgeably about it, it makes us better able to market or sell what we do or sell what they do, depending on how it works, to clients. You've got to know what you're selling and believe in it, obviously, if you're selling something. So a couple examples of how we can help with marketing is public speaking at local churches by either myself or someone else on our staff who's knowledgeable or bilingual. Listing, of course, on our website, which gets a lot of traffic, the Immigration Professor's site of that person's practice. The other thing we found to be helpful is to put together a DVD on some common immigration problems. For example, for a criminal attorney that they could put in their waiting room, so when people are waiting, they can say, oh, I may have had an arrest, but I have a defense to being deported. So DVD is another possible service we can provide. And also to be available when clients come in and there's questions and so forth. Either myself or one of my staff could be available by Skype or in person, depending upon what the situation is. So marketing is another service that we provide. And the other is supervision. The local attorney may have paralegals, other attorneys with little or no experience that may need training as well as supervision on immigration case if they want to develop their own immigration practice. So that's something that we can provide, and we've trained many attorneys and paralegals over the years and supervised them for some years until they become specialized experts in the field. So these are some of the services that we provide to other attorneys, either that are starting in immigration or need them, or are in other areas and feel they want to develop an immigration component to their firm. I want to thank my colleagues very much for watching this video, and also again to mention our website where we have all of our informational videos. It's www.immigration-professor.com, or if you're interested in some or all of these services and think we can help you and work hand in hand together, please call our offices. Again, the number is 310-384-0200. Thank you very much.